Hey guys, it is currently 6:14 in the morning. If you can see that, I just got back from the gym and I'm whispering because everyone's still asleep. I typically go to the gym between 5 and 5:30 and then try to get home between 6 and 6:30, sometimes a little later, but I have to be at work at 8, so this gives me the perfect amount of time to come home, shower, eat breakfast, and get ready. So I'm gonna kind of do a little bit of a day in my life vlog. I can't film at the gym, so I skipped that, but I've already worked out this morning and now I'm just going to hop in the shower and I'll catch you at breakfast. Alexa, Christmas lights on. Alright you guys, I've eaten breakfast as you saw and finished getting ready for the day. I did my makeup and dried my hair and now I'm all dressed and ready to go to work. I'm just going to apply my lipstick, which I'm going to go with this MAC Cherish lipstick, which I've been loving lately. This is just a really nice, like, everyday My Lips But Better shade. So that's me ready for the day. I'm just going to run to work now and I'll catch up with you guys later.
Hi, welcome to Taco Bell. What can I help you tonight?
Hi, may I please have 3 bean and cheese burritos with no onion, add sour cream?
3 bean and cheese, no onion, add sour cream, okay. Would you like anything else?
And then 1 nacho supreme, please.
Okay, anything else for you tonight?
That's it.
Okay, this is going to be $13.47. I'll see you check one day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm home from work now. It is nighttime. As you just saw, I just ordered at Taco Bell. None of that food was for me. That's actually all for my fiance, who is sick in the other room. He's been sick for a couple days, and of course what he requested was Taco Bell. So I got him what he wanted, and now I'm home. I'm just actually home from a work event where there was food, so I'm just making another protein cocoa like I had this morning. I'm literally addicted to this. You guys are gonna get sick of seeing it probably by the end of Vlogmas, but I just wanted to update you on that. So basically I worked all day, so there was nothing I could really vlog, and now I'm just having cocoa and I'm gonna put my jammies on, and I will probably either watch a Hallmark Christmas movie or read until bedtime, so nothing too exciting. It is now the next day. Last night I didn't really do anything too exciting. I just, like I said, got my jammies on and I ended up reading for a while, and now I'm ready for work. I put on a bunch of makeup because I'm really feeling sick. I think I mentioned it yesterday that my fiance has been sick, and I think I'm catching something too, so I'm like congested and I just feel really like weak and tired. So long story short, I woke up this morning, I got to the gym, which was extremely impressive, and now there's someone parking right next to me. How awkward. They must have seen the camera and decided not to park there. Anyway, so I went to the gym, but I was just like oh, they're backing in. How cool. But I was just like so tired and I just couldn't do anything. So I barely did like my little routine that was planned for today, and then I left, and I've just been struggling ever since. And I put on all this makeup to make myself look alive, but I keep blowing my nose and all the makeup is coming off of my nose. Anyway, I'm here at this new juice place I looked up near where I live, so hopefully they have some like wellness shots and juices I can try. This person cannot back their car in to save their life. Okay, so I'm gonna go walk in there and see what kind of juicy wellness shot stuff we can get. Okay, I accidentally parked really far from the juice place, but while they were making my juice, I drank one of these, which is the Immune Booster, which is ginger, lemon, and carrots, and this is supposed to be cold and flu fighting and help strong cells and give you a huge vitamin C boost. So hopefully this works. I also, by the way, put on these huge new hoops that I ordered from Amazon. I think they look like some of the more expensive ones that are like in style right now, but I just didn't want to commit to expensive earrings. I feel like I wear my diamond studs every day and that's like my signature, but for like more statement earrings, I mean, these are pretty like basic, like everyday work hoops, but still for like bigger earrings like that, I just like sometimes don't feel like splurging. So anyway, and then my big juice that I got is bright red. It has like beets, apples, celery, carrots, ginger, a bunch of stuff in it. So anyway, hopefully this kicks whatever sickness that I feel coming on, because I have an event tonight that I'm really excited about, which is the other reason why I put on a ton of makeup. I'll definitely put on more later because it's kind of like a fancy sit down dinner with steak and like cocktail attire kind of vibe. So anyway, I'm gonna stay bundled up in my scarf and go to work and hopefully not die today and feel sick. So wish me luck, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Update, I just got home and I'm feeling horrible. The wellness shots and juice, which by the way, I don't think I said in the car, I'm like, feel so out of it, I can't remember what I said. By the way, cost $17, which was exorbitant. I'll never go there again. Anyway, did not help at all. So I came home though and I have a package from Artizia. So I figured this was the prime moment to unbox something on camera. I actually placed 2 orders from Artizia during their Black Friday sale, but they're like, everything's shipping like 1 item at a time. So I currently am gonna get like multiple packages, but the first item arrived. So let's open it up. Oh my gosh, this actually wasn't even what I thought was coming today. How exciting. So this is just the boyfriend crew neck. I'll back up so you can see it. It's just like an oversized basic crew neck. Like obviously you could just buy like a Champion sweatshirt on Amazon for probably way cheaper. I got mine in the size 2, but this feels like really quality and amazing on the inside. So I can't wait to wear this. I'm sure you'll see me in it soon. I ordered basically a bunch of like loungy sweats from Artizia, and disclaimer, I ordered this because I had a huge store credit from them, and I was just like, I just need to spend this or else it's like burning a hole in my pocket. So I got a bunch of loungewear and I can't wait to try it out. So that was my not exciting Artizia unboxing. I thought this was gonna be pink joggers, honestly, and it just turned out to be a plain black sweatshirt, but that's okay. We're gonna persevere.